First thing you want to do is cut a square 15 by 17 and fold that over where the 17 ends touch each other. Then fold it long ways where the 15 ends touch each other, and you're going to sew along here. I am sewing about a 1/4 inch seam. I have my 1/4 inch seam sewn, and I'm going to turn it inside out. And now I'm going to press it to where the seam is out flat and is nice and flat on both ends. Now I'm going to make my pleats. I fold this end up like this and press it. Then I make the second pleat a little bit above it and press it. So now you have your two pleats. Now you're going to cut your two end pieces 3.5 inches by 6 inches. And you're going to fold them in half wrong sides together and press each of them flat. Now you're going to take your end piece, line it up with the edge, and fold over to the back and pin on each end. And you do this on the other end as well. And then you're going to sew a 1/4 inch along here on both ends. Now that you've sewn both of those ends, fold it over. You pull this up on each end like this. You kind of have to adjust the edges here so they don't overlap. You fold that over and pin it on all 4 corners. You have to kind of make sure you've got this corner pulled down. You can adjust it as needed so that the edges don't stick out. And you do that on both ends, and then you just sew a really close seam right along the edge. You can see how close I sewed that to the edge. This will be the outside of the mask. This is the inside. There will be, you'll see the sewing on the inside, but that's just how it turns out. Basically, it's ready to go. We just have to thread the elastic through, and I will show you how to do that. Sometimes that's the trickiest part. I've been cutting 14-inch 1/4 inch width elastic. You might need to cut them longer depending on how big the person is you're making it for, but since you don't know, cutting it longer is good so that they can adjust it how they need to. I have been using the end of this artificial flower, and I stick it on the end of there. I kind of run my pinky finger through the other end to sort of create my opening. And then I thread this through. I've been doing this a lot. It kind of gets hung up in there. That one made it through pretty easily. You can try putting a safety pin on it to pull it through, but since this has been so tight, that's been I've had trouble doing that. So then I've just been tying the end of this, and so they can untie it and adjust it how tight they want it, because it's got to fit snug enough around their face. And you do that on both ends, and then you're done. And once they figure out how tight they want it, then they can pull that knot through so that it's not rubbing on their ear, and they don't have to worry about that. Good luck.